Eurobet are hoping to finish, or the DAX is hoping to finish strong. I don't know how the NGX is hoping to finish, but I know we were red yesterday when I had the stock market report. I don't know about the intraday.
Well, intraday we're in the green. There's a rebound, and same as yesterday, we saw that rebound, but the market closed in the red.
Yeah, exactly.
But we hope to see them sustain that positive momentum and close in the green today. It's Friday.
Hopefully.
You know, should we thank God it's Friday? So let's see major equities we'll track. We mentioned Nigeria's NGX, which was driven by mostly banking stocks and PZ Customs. But let's see them at intraday 0.15%. At midday it was 0.15%. And we see the GSE in South Africa up 1.13%. Very strong close for intraday markets. Look at Egypt. Let's see how they performed. But well, Egypt's market is closed. That's Obama for most people waiting to see Egypt's intraday numbers. But they closed. But they were closed in the green yesterday, 0.86%. And we see GSE closing. That's the NSE in Kenya closing yesterday's session also in the green. But let's zoom in quickly to what's happening at the NGX. It's earnings season. It has come upon us, and we have the early filers already coming in. Chinazom Zora, investment broker, Patkan Securities Limited, joins us to unpack some of these interesting numbers. Chinazom, Transcorp Power has, released its results. We saw that, massive revenue of 305.9 billion naira, reporting 165% growth, profit after tax. But that's quite interesting because they've been sustaining that momentum since they listed early in March last year. But most importantly, let's zoom in on Japaulgold and see that turnaround in performance. Investors, I'm sure they're very keen to know how Japaulgold, we saw that move from from losses to profitability right now. Investors want to know how this turnaround happened and how quickly they were able to manage it amid the economic challenges we're facing in this country.
Hello, Willie. Thank you for having me. Of course, the performance of Japaul and Transcorp, we've also seen the performance of Guinness. It's very encouraging that these companies are reporting revenue growth. They are reporting strong growth in their profit margins and in their operations. And it's very encouraging for the entire market considering what happened last year. Besides the financial services that benefited from the FX devaluation and the interest rate hikes, we were very concerned for manufacturers, consumer goods companies, and industrial goods companies. Although with Guinness especially, we know that there's been an acquisition there. For Japaul and Transcorp Power, the power sector is a very attractive segment right now. We've seen a lot of deregulation in that sector that we believe is going to continue to contribute to the growth and performance of operators in that segment. For Japaul, their history has been a bit mixed and checkered, but it's positive to see the company reversing its previous losses, growing its revenue, returning to positive shareholder equity. And as of midday today, Japaul was already up over 6 point something percent. Transcorp Power was also up about 7 point something percent. Even though there was no price change in Guinness, Guinness was also trading higher than previous open. So it's very encouraging that Nigerian companies that operate across diverse sectors are being resilient and overcoming the challenges of last year. And with more FX stability and perhaps interest rates beginning to taper off this year, we look forward to seeing continued growth in those sectors.
Yeah, definitely. For Japaul, just like let's look at it. We see the EPS, the earnings per share now from 11 kobo to 13 kobo. Also see their total equity, which is very encouraging. From we saw that 800,000 to over 18 billion right now, but very good for the company, and we hope that investors begin to see dividends come from Japaulgold very soon and other companies that are posting these results. Thank you so much, Chinazom Izora, investment broker, Patkan Securities Limited, for your thoughts this afternoon.